Today we are going to assemble the IKEA Markus Office Chair. Step 1, we are going to turn the base upside down and put all 5 casters into the base. These do just pop right in. For the next step, we're going to take the cylinder and remove this protective cap. Then you just drop the cylinder into the base. I am going to just put the base aside and we're going to put the mechanism onto the bottom of the seat. With the front edge of the seat facing towards you, I'm going to place the mechanism onto the bottom of the seat. With this tension knob closest to the front edge of the seat. Using 2 of the short screws and the provided Allen wrench, we're going to tighten these into the back side of the mechanism. Once those are in place, I'm not going to fully tighten them just yet until the rest of the screws are into the mechanism. Next, we're going to use 2 of the longer screws, and these are going to go towards the front end of the seat. Once all 4 of these screws are in place, I am going to go back over and make sure that they are tightened securely. Next, we're going to place the backrest down on its back, and then we're going to take the seat and place it on top of this insert here. All right. Next, we're going to loosely screw in these last 3 short bolts. Once all 3 screws are in place, make sure that they are then all fully tightened to the mechanism. For the next step, you may need some assistance to lift the chair onto the cylinder. You're going to align the cylinder with this hole here. Once the chair is on the cylinder, I am just going to push down slightly on it to engage that cylinder. Next, we're going to secure both arms with the remaining 4 screws. Each arm is identical, so it doesn't matter which side each arm goes on. Using the Allen wrench, I'm going to once again tighten these in place. And then I'm just going to repeat the same thing on the opposite side. And that is how you assemble the IKEA Markus chair. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.